try and get off this massive curb. I don't actually think I'm going to get off. I am about. Oh no! Oh, that sounds absolutely horrid. Not see anything on this road. That is terrible. Cannot see a single thing. Can't just guess where I'm going right now. As it slowly gets better. Oh man. Speed bumps absolutely everywhere. Oh no, made that one. Made that one. Oh no, fucking oil. I can make this one. Yeah, we go. Well, I might as well show you guys the 36 after all that hassle getting up here. Okay, so here she is, the 36. So coming from a 46 into this thing is absolutely insane. There's less assisted driving, welded diff. Yeah, she skids alright. She's a 318, but I don't know what to do in the future. I don't know if to swap it, supercharge it, turbo it. But yeah, I don't. It's actually going to be alright because in the summer, when everyone's cars are built, we're all going to have 36s. We're going to chuck these things on track. I've already been to Thruxton. Whoa, it's fucking slippery here. I've already been to Thruxton. I've got the sticker, got the t-shirt. But yeah, it's not too bad. We are up on the cliffs. Pretty fucking crazy view up there. And we're not even at the top yet. We've got a little bit of more of a drive to go up there, but crazy views. She just keeps going. Right, that is a beautiful drift bend, but I'm definitely not going to attempt it because there's a freaking edge of a cliff there. That's definitely not happening. I'm not risking that today. No way. I can hear my welded diff just clunking about.